To set up the course, I used the code and registered. Once I had access, I used 3 dots to edit my week. But before adding activities or resources to week 3, I participated in team policy and the syllabus. Together with Larissa and Zarmena, I added my part to both documents. Now I want to show our collaborative course about the continuing professional development for teachers. The course consists of 5 weeks, and I developed week 3. Week 3. I used 2 activities, the glossary and the forum. This section helps learners read their framework again, write their own definition for each areas of CPD, and share their favorite one on the forum.